Good morning, visitors. Right now, coming through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the American Century. The American Century was built as the Columbia Star in 1981 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by four 3,500 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots, or about 16 miles per hour. She's also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow and stern thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The American Century has 37 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Century is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company of Williamsville, New York. The American Century was What you guys just heard there is known as the Master Salute. It is 3 long and 2 short blast exchanges. Today, the American Century is coming in to load coal at Superior Midwest Energy Terminal, so if you see any crew on board, make sure you give them a wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. The American Century was bought, along with 5 other Oglebay Norton ships in 2006 by the What you guys just heard there is known as the Captain Salute. It is 1 long and 2 short blasts. But once again, the American Century was bought in 2006 by the American Steamship Company for $120 million. Originally named in honor of the brig Columbia, the first vessel to move iron ore through the Sioux Locks in 1855, she made her maiden voyage from Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin to Silver Bay, Minnesota in May of 1981 to load iron ore pellets. Only hauling iron ore pellets and western coal, she is one of 13 1,000-foot vessels that currently operate on the Great Lakes today.